After viewing this video, you will be able to know when it is appropriate and safe to enter a patient room, safely handle and dispose of waste material, high dust, thoroughly clean and remake the bed, clean the room furnishings, clean the vanity area and bathroom, clean the floor, inspect your work, and log the room as ready to reoccupy. When you arrive at the patient room, first look for notifications or special instructions that may be posted on the door. Isolation rooms are of particular importance. These rooms require special cleaning procedures and the correct personal protective equipment. Follow your facility's documented procedures for cleaning an isolation room. Before you enter a patient room, properly sanitize your hands to help reduce the risk of cross-transmission. Curl your fingers back towards the palm of your hand so that the sanitizer goes on your fingernails. Thoroughly rub the sanitizer over all the surfaces of your hands. Be sure to get between your fingers and the back of your hands. After sanitizing your hands, put on gloves and your personal protective equipment. The discharge procedure for a patient can sometimes happen rather quickly, resulting in items being accidentally left behind. Before you start cleaning, gather any personal items and place them in a clear polyliner. Give the polyliner to the charge nurse on the floor. If the tray table is positioned over the bed, discard any trash on the table and roll it safely away from the bed. Fold the linen corners into the middle of the bed, forming a small bundle that can be easily lifted away from your body and placed into a Rubbermaid linen hamper. Treat all dirty linen as though it could contain sharps or medical waste, and handle it for the shortest time possible. Gather any large debris left on the floor with a Rubbermaid Lobby Pro dustpan and lobby broom. Dispose of what you've picked up into the large waste container. Collect the waste from any other non-medical waste containers and put it in the large waste container. Roll the new polyliner down and tie it off. Remember, never compress the waste materials down into the container with your hand. It could contain a sharp object. Take the tied-off liners to the designated collection point. For safety reasons, carry the waste away from your body. For high dusting, we recommend the Rubbermaid Hygiene Flexible Wand, high-performance dusting sleeve, and an adjustable length handle. Bend the flexible wand to the appropriate shape and dust all high surfaces. Be sure to dust items like the overbed light, above the television, and any other hard-to-reach areas like ceiling vents and corners. Directions for high dusting with the flexible wand can also be found in the Rubbermaid Hygiene Product Use Guide. We recommend using a red Rubbermaid Hygiene microfiber cloth for cleaning the patient bed. Remove a damp red Rubbermaid Hygiene microfiber cloth from the red 5-quart pail and wring out any excess cleaning solution. When discharge cleaning, it is important to thoroughly clean all surfaces of the patient's bed. Completely wipe down the mattress using overlapping strokes. Frequently turn the cloth so you are using a clean surface. Wipe the space between the mattress and the foot or headboard. and thoroughly clean the footboard itself. Raise the bed to its highest position so that it can be cleaned underneath. Underneath the bed is a frequently overlooked area that can harbor dust and microbes. When you are finished, lower the bed back to its original position and put the used red microfiber cloth into the linen bag for laundering. Never put a used microfiber cloth back into the 5-quart pail. This could be a source of cross-transmission to the clean cloths. We recommend a green Rubbermaid hygiene microfiber cloth for general surface cleaning. Take a damp green Rubbermaid hygiene microfiber cloth from the green 5-quart pail and wring out any excess cleaning solution. Wipe down high-touch items such as the remote control and phone. Be sure to lift the phone receiver and wipe down the mouthpiece, earpiece, and dialing pad. Also wipe down the cord, an often missed step in the cleaning process. Wipe down the table tray. Be sure to clean the table extensions and drawers. Other than the remote and door latches, the tray table is the most touched object in the room, so it is essential to thoroughly clean it from top to bottom, even on the underside surfaces and the casters. With a fresh green microfiber cloth, clean the shelves and cabinets. Always begin at the highest point and work your way down to the lowest point. When cleaning cabinets and nightstands, be sure to wipe down the entire inside surface of the cabinet. The patient may have stored personal items such as clothing inside, which could lead to a cross-transmission risk if not thoroughly cleaned. Clean all the furniture in the room from top to bottom. Clean the exposed surfaces first, then either turn over the cushions, or if they are attached, wipe down behind the cushions. Turn the cloth frequently so you are wiping with a clean side. When wiping down chairs, pay particular attention to the armrests. Don't forget to wipe down the legs and back of the chair as well. When finished with the cloth, place it in the linen bag for laundering. Before you clean the vanity area, check the paper and soap supplies. If needed, refill them. If your facility has touch-free dispensers, check the battery life. Replace the batteries if necessary. Use a green microfiber cloth to wipe down the vanity. Wipe down the entire top surface of the vanity, including the side and back splash guards, faucet, and the bowl itself. Don't forget to clean the front edge of the vanity, where the patient may have leaned up against it. Remember, turn the cloth frequently to use a clean surface. Wipe down the outside of the sharps container, and if present, the wall-mounted hair dryer. After cleaning the top surface, be sure to clean the underside of the vanity bowl and all of its piping. This is a damp, dark area that is an excellent breeding ground for microbes. When finished with the vanity, put the cloth in the linen bag for laundering. For cleaning glass, mirrors, and chrome surfaces, we recommend the Rubbermaid Hygiene Glass Cloth. The unique construction of this cloth allows you to clean glass surfaces without using chemicals. If you do hit a tough spot, lightly wet one corner of the cloth and scrub the surface clean. When finished, put the blue cloth in the linen bag for laundering. Pick up any waste or linen left on the bathroom floor. Be careful of sharps and any bodily fluids that may be present. Place the trash in a wastebasket and carry the linen out to a Rubbermaid linen hamper. Roll down and tie off the poly liner and take it to the designated waste collection area. Remember, treat all waste as if it contains sharps and carry it away from your body. Wipe the inside and outside of the waste containers with a damp green microfiber cloth. Reline the container with the correct polyliner. Tie the bag off in one corner by making a knot so the liner does not fall into the container. Pour the cleaning chemical into the toilet bowl. If possible, squirt it under the rim also. Spray the outside of the toilet with an approved disinfectant. Be sure to spray both under and on the top surface of the seat. You will also spray the chrome piping and flush handle. Be sure to spray enough disinfectant so that the surface stays wet for the chemical manufacturer's dwell time. Scrub the inside of the toilet with a bowl brush. Be sure to clean under the rim. After the appropriate amount of dwell time has passed, flush the toilet. Many times this is the last thing you do before leaving the bathroom. We recommend the Rubbermaid Hygiene Yellow Microfiber Cloth to clean toilets and urinals. This cloth should not be used to clean anything else in the patient's room. Starting with the handle, clean the chrome plumbing from top to bottom. Be sure to turn the cloth frequently while you are cleaning. Wipe down the seat and finish by cleaning the outside of the bowl. Put the used yellow cloth in the linen bag for laundering. As a final touch, you may polish the chrome surfaces with a light blue Rubbermaid Hygiene Microfiber glass cloth. Wipe down the handrails and towel racks with a damp green microfiber cloth. You can also spot clean the walls with the green cloth. For cleaning the shower walls, we recommend the Rubbermaid Hygiene Damp Mop Cover on a flexi frame. The flexi frame can be attached to a 20 to 40-inch extension handle. Spray the shower walls with the cleaning solution and allow for the proper dwell time. Wipe down the walls using overlapping strokes, working from top to bottom. Spray both sides of the shower curtain with cleaner. Wipe down the inside and outside of the curtain with the green microfiber cloth, going from top to bottom. The final step in cleaning the bathroom is to restock all linens, soaps, and toilet paper. To dust mop the floor, we recommend the Rubbermaid 18-inch dust mop and frame. Starting from the far corner of the room, dust the floor using figure-8 overlapping strokes, working back towards the door. The frame has been designed so you can easily dust under the bed and furniture. For detailed instructions on dust mopping a room, see the Rubbermaid Hygiene Product Use Manual. When you are finished dust mopping, remove the pad and place it in the linen bag for laundering. Some facilities are using a backpack vacuum, such as the Rubbermaid BH10Q, for both high dusting and floor dusting. By using a vacuum with a HEPA filter, you are helping to improve the indoor air quality of the room. These vacuums are lightweight and quiet. As with any powered equipment, you should always check the plug and clean the cord thoroughly. To damp mop, we recommend the Rubbermaid Pulse floor cleaning system with an 18-inch Rubbermaid Hygiene Damp Mop. For directions on preparing the Rubbermaid Pulse mopping system, refer to the cart preparation chapter of this DVD and also in the printed Product Use Manual. Place a safety sign in the doorway. Starting at the far corner of the room, press the red trigger handle to apply cleaning solution onto the floor. Moisten the pad by pulling it through the solution. Then mop, moving backwards towards the doorway using overlapping figure-8 strokes. Remember to damp mop the bathroom floor as well. When you are finished damp mopping, place the used damp mop into the linen bag for laundering. When the floor is dry, remove the floor safety sign. After cleaning the floor, it is time to bring in fresh linens and prepare the bed for the next patient. Follow the guidelines provided by your supervisor on the specific items and steps that you will take to make the patient's bed. This example shows a best practice for making a bed with fitted sheets. After the bed is made, roll the tray table back into place and lay out any literature or materials as directed by your supervisor. As you leave the room, don't forget to wipe down light switches, edges of the door, and the door handles. Use a green microfiber cloth for these surfaces. These are some of the most frequently touched surfaces in the room and are often overlooked. After you have finished cleaning, look back over the room and review your cleaning process checklist to ensure you have not missed anything. Properly remove and dispose of your gloves to reduce the risk of cross-transmission. If required by your facility, log out of the room. This is usually done by phone or computer terminal. You are now ready to proceed to your next room.